Hey everyone and welcome back. Whisper AI is great for transcription, but combining it with other tools creates a powerful content system. Let me show you the full free workflow. First, transcribe your audio using Whisper locally or on the website. Get your plain text transcript ready. Second, paste the transcript into ChatGPT or Claude. Ask it to summarize the key points, action items, and decisions. This turns raw text into useful notes. Third, take that summary and paste it into Notion or Obsidian as your permanent meeting record. Both have free plans for individuals. For video creators, use Whisper to generate SRT subtitles, then import them into CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for automatic captions. For bloggers, run your transcript through ChatGPT with the prompt, rewrite this transcript as a blog post with headings and bullet points. For social media, ask ChatGPT to extract 3 to 5 quotable highlights from the transcript. Use these for LinkedIn, Twitter, or Instagram posts. For podcasters, run your transcript through Claude to generate show notes, timestamps, and episode summaries in one click. Pro tip: create an automation using free tools like Zapier to send Whisper transcripts directly to ChatGPT, then to Notion automatically. And that is it: Whisper for transcription, ChatGPT for summarization, Notion for storage. You have a complete content system running on free tools. If you combine these tools, let me know your workflow in the comments. See you in the next one.